Hi there, Reverend Ron Gielock with Christ Centered Coaching, and today I want to show you exactly how to create a Facebook fan page for your business. Whether you're a brick and mortar shop, an online business, or you're a professional, you need to have a Facebook fan page. The number one reason for this is in order to run some paid advertising, which is a way to really accelerate the number of customers you're acquiring, you need to have a Facebook fan page to use the ads manager. So in this video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy and quick it is to create your very first Facebook fan page. So let's head over to my screen. I'm going to share my screen with you. Okay. This is one of my Facebook accounts that I normally just use for advertisements. So on your profile, you're going to go up here to the top right and click this little button right here, and you're going to go down to here, create page. Click that, and these are the different types of pages that you can create. I suggest if you are a professional or an entrepreneur, or you have some kind of business where your name is in the title, you are the professional, you're providing a service, like if you're a coach, a counselor, a freelancer, you're going to want to use this artist, band, or public figure page. If you're like a restaurant, a retail store, a brick and mortar shop, you're going to want to use this local business or place, or this company, organization, or institution. I suggest sticking with these two. This is the only other one that you're probably going to use. So for this example, I want to choose a small business. I want to choose a restaurant. So let's go ahead with local business or place. Let's call it Ronnie's Restaurant. Page category, it's going to be restaurants. So I'll scroll down here, click restaurants. Street address, I'm going to call it, I don't know, I'm just going to put 12, I'm making this up, 12 Main Street in Clinton, New Jersey. That's like a nice little town, really close by here to me. I think that's the zip code there. And phone number, I'm just going to put my phone number in there. Okay, and click Get Started. And just like that, by putting that little bit of information in there, I now have my very own Facebook fan page. The first thing that you're going to want to do is add a cover photo here, so you can upload your own right there, or choose from videos. You can add a picture here. So if this is your restaurant, you might want to put your restaurant logo here, and in this cover photo, you might want to put a picture. Again, some picture of the food, some restaurant images of inside the restaurant, something like that. And once you do that, you're going to want to click here and add a short description. So my short description will be, we are. Oh, it looks like my keyboard just died. So I'm going to go ahead and just click cancel so I can continue this example. But short description here would just be typing in, what your restaurant is about. So I was going to type, this is a family restaurant serving American food. Okay, so you'd save that. You can fill out the rest of these here by clicking See All Page Tips. You can go through this and start interacting and making your page. The second thing I would do after this is I would invite some people to your page. So over here, it's gonna start with your existing friends group, and you can just go here and click, and invite people to like this page to start and get some traction. Your other thing here is this is where you'll get your messages. Right, so if people want to send you a message or ask like, hey, what are your hours? When do you open? That's going to be there. Notifications, if somebody likes, comments, shares, this is where that's going to pop up. Insights, this is a really cool information. This is as your page starts going, you're going to get information about who's following it, are people engaging on your posts, what kind of reach are you getting, are people liking it. That's all going to be reported here in Insights. Okay, and then publishing tools here. If you want to schedule some posts of like you want to schedule your posts for the next week in advance, you can do that here and by clicking create. You know, like tonight's, oh, I forgot my keyboard's dead. You can do tonight's special is, you know, I don't know, hickory salmon, right? And publish that, put a nice picture of that there, right? You can do all those kind of things from this tab, the publishing tool. The other one that's important for you to know is settings. Settings right here. Don't get overwhelmed by this. It's simple. You can just go through these and pick which things that you want or you know, want to edit. Then messaging, you know, you can set up a general message. If somebody sends you a message, they can get like an automatic response back, an instant reply or greeting. That's pretty cool. And if you want to make edits to the page, if you want to change anything, this is where you would do that. You would edit the page here. You can even do edits to change the tabs here on your page as well, or you can add new tabs if you want to do that. Okay, page roles. Or actually, no, we're going to go down to page roles. That's the next one that you'd want to do. If you want to add other people on here to post on your behalf, one of your employees, or you have a marketer in-house, you want to do that here by putting their name or email. That's the best way to do that. And I would make them, you know, I don't know if I'd make them an administrator, but I'd make them either an editor or an advertiser so they can post on those kind of things. People and other pages, that's not too important. I think that is about it. If you want to link it to your Instagram, you would do that here. You definitely want to do that so you can have another medium, another channel where you can post those kind of things. Only other thing I would mention here is right here, you can click these three little dots and go to edit page info. And if you want to change like the company hours or where it's located, all that kind of stuff is here. So, you know, always open or, you know, permanently closed. Hopefully it's never that one, right? Always open is where I would do that. You know, right here, general, your contact information. If you have a company website, you can do that. This is a great in between if you're a startup and you don't have a website yet. This is what I would use. I would use my Facebook fan page. Your email there, any additional links, like if you have a YouTube channel or Instagram link, I'd put those things there. Location, hours, and then click Save Changes when you're done. So guys, this is how to create your very first Facebook fan page. It's not very hard. There is a lot of different options that you can pick. Try not to get overwhelmed. It's not that difficult. All you have to do is click that Create Page button, follow the steps in order. If you found value in this video, go ahead and click like, comment below, and if you'd like to learn exactly how to use this Facebook page to now run ads and start targeting your ideal customer, your perfect client, I want you to check out the blog post below this video where you can learn more about Facebook advertising and even how we can do some of it for you if that's something that you like. I'm Reverend Ron Gielach with Christ-Centered Coaching, empowering you to prosper, making an awesome day, and I'll see you on the next post.